Alright, so we're being big boys today and we're going to the other side. There's a police officer. It's the Wake County Sheriff. He lives right there. Oh, I don't... Hey Luke, is that a police car right there? I don't know. That car, is that just a gray car? In the sheriff's house thing. Yeah, I don't think it is. I don't know if it is or not. I think we should just go. Window's a little rolled down, so I don't know if there's someone sitting in it or not. Oh, that is a police car. I'm getting out of here. I don't know if there's someone sitting in it, but that sure was a police car. I don't know how we're gonna get back. Kids on the golf cart. Yeah, my bike can't go much faster than that. And the police are totally going to be out there on the way back, probably. So I don't know what we're going to do. So we're on the other side of the pipeline now. Yeah, we escaped the police. And yeah. The trails over here are pretty awesome. They're pretty open up and stuff. This part is like super epic. I'm gonna slow down and wait for them. Just gonna goon around today and do some random stuff. This morning I went to the Home Depot in like our area and I want to plasti up the wheels on the rims on my clips. And so I went to the paint section and I got it. It was actually the off-brand. It was like $3 more because they didn't have the gloss finish plasti dip. But anyways, I went to the register and bought it, and well, that's kind of the catch. I went to the register and they wanted to see my ID, and I said, you have to be 18 to buy this, don't you? And they said, yeah. So they didn't let me buy it. So like, my mom or someone's gonna go buy that for me today. My brother has like a can or two, but I need like 3 cans to paint all the wheels. But I need to put like 4 or 5 coatings on it, is what they said. Oh, this part's pretty sketchy with the river. See? Luke almost went down there. This is like huge rocks and it's deep. Enduro riding. Oh, paste. Man, there's a hole in my boot. I just got a ton of water in it. This part always gets me right here, because there's like a random river that you don't see. And this part's awesome. Oh yeah. Oh, sure. Yeah, that could have been really bad. Gonna go around 3. Oh, boom. Oh, nosedive in there. There's nothing like taking a ride in the morning. That's how it's done. Gotta wait for them to go. Oh yeah, that was fun. Mud, mud, mud. Guess I'm leading. We're going deep into the woods. There's like wild gorillas back here. And Sasquatches. So you better watch yourself if you go back in these woods. There's lots of gorillas and Sasquatch things and, you know, the usual. I don't know what I'm talking about. There's like a fallen tree down here and we're gonna go. Didn't want the GoPro to hit the tree. Alright, this is a serious mud part. Alright, we can do this. I'm going first. Just go and don't stop. Alright, that's the bad part. This should be easy. We made it. We made it. We're deep in the jungles of Africa. Or the woods. Whatever you want to call it. We're out in the wilderness anyways. That's a seriously strong current right there. We made it up that. Man. Last time we came through here it was flooded like exactly the same. It's never been like that except the last time and this time. I don't think there's any way we can get through this. I'm not even gonna try that. That's ridiculous. Dude, what's that? Like for real, like.
What do you mean?
Like I just saw something like big like move to there. I'm not even kidding. Like a snake or something. Nope, nope, there's snakes in there. I'm not going. Ow, ow, ow. Pricks. Stupid thorns. We found it. Where does this go? Like, I'm not sure I remember. Yeah, but doesn't this just go on a bunch of other random trails? I'm not sure. I don't really remember. Let's do it. So there's basically like 3 main ways. We're going to the woods now to get to the trails because it's like swamped over there, if that's even a word. That didn't work at all.